Faithful devotees, dear brothers and sisters, Dhamma. Before start our Dhamma talk, pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Okay, today's our lessons still have the classification into 3 groups of RUPA according to the Dhammasangani book. We have last 2 dukkha, 2 groups, Ajjattikam, Olarikam, Bahiram, Olarikam, Bahiram, Sukuma. Meaning, Ajjattikam, Olarikam, internal gross rupa. Bahiram, Olarikam, external gross rupa. Bahiram, Sukumam, external subtle rupa. Now, I think, do you remember when we study rupa method, Olarika and Sukuma, the Ola 28 type of rupa, we divide into 2 ways, Olarika and Sukuma, gross and subtle. Now, we can understand how we dividing 2 ways, Olarika and Sukuma, gross and subtle. How many Olarika rupa, how many gross rupa, and how many subtle rupa? There are 12 rupa. There are 12 rupa we call Olarika, gross. What are you can see the yellow color mark, 5 sensitivities and 7 type of object, excluding water element. Excluding water element. Now, those are 12 type of rupa, gross, or maybe we can say another name, subpatiga, impinch rupa. The blue color mark, those are rupa we call sukuman, subtle rupa. All means the 12 rupa is Olarika gross. Remaining, there are 16 rupa we call Sukuma rupa. That's why the now you see the red color circle, there are 12, blue color circle, there are 16. Again, you can, if this focus, because the Olarika and Sukumanu, how many Olarika rupa? There are 12. How many Sukuma rupa? There are 16. Okay. Now, those are Olarika rupa. We can divide into 2 parts. Okay. Those are Olarika rupa. We can divide into 2 parts. Now, you please focus. They are the yellow color mark. They say 12 rupa, no? But the inside the yellow color, they have the little bit the mark. They are Ajjatikam, the rupa. This is internal. You see, there are 5 sensitivities, all within Olarika. You see, that's why the Olarika rupa we can divide into two groups, internal and external. Internal and external. 12 Olarika Rupa, there are, among the 12, there are uh, uh, there are five. There are five sensitivities we call internal gross rupa. Internal gross rupa. And the remaining, there are 7. Those are 7 rupa we can say external gross rupa. External gross rupa. Now you can understand those are gross rupa. We can divide into two parts, Ajjatikan and Bahiran, internal and external. There are 5 sensitivities we call internal. Remaining, there are 7 we call external. External. Okay. Now this you can go to next page. They are very clear. Clearly explain. Now you see. Yeah. Now you can they are Polarika, they are 12. Sukuma, they are 16. There are 5 sensitivities in internal. There are remain 7 rupa, they are external. But the internal gross and external gross. How many internal gross? There are 5. How many external gross? There are 7. How many external subtle? How many external subtle? Bahira. There are 16. Only only separate Olarik into Ajjatik and Bahira. That's why the 12 rupa only we divide into two way, internal gross and external gross. But the 16 rupa external subtle. External subtle. Now you can see clearly in the our Lord Buddha mentioned those are 28 type of rupa. We can divide into three way: Ajjatikang, Olarikang. Ajjatikang, Olarikang. Internal gross. Ajjatikang, Olarika. Internal gross rupa. How many internal gross rupa? There are 5. 5 sensitivities. What are the 5? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. Those are 5 rupa we call internal gross. Ajjatikam, Olarika. Okay. The number 2, Bahirang, Olarikam. External gross rupa. External gross rupa. How many external gross rupa? There are 7. There are 7. What are the 7? You can see Vanna, Saddha, Gandha, Rasa, Patavi, Tejo, Vayu. Those are 7 we call external gross rupa. The third one, Bahirang Sukuma. External subtle rupa. There are 16. There are 16. Now, this one very clearly marked in the table. Next page. Ajjatikang, Olarikang, Bahirang, Olarikang, Bahirang Sukuma. You see, very clearly mentioned. Ajjatikang, Olarikang, there are 5. Bahirang, Olarikang, there are 7. Bahirang, Sukumang, there are 16. Okay, please check. Ajjatikang, Olarikang, there are 5. Very clear, no? 5 sensitivities. Bahirang, Olarikang, there are 7. Green color column. Bahirang, Sukumang, They are 16. Okay, again, how many ajjatikang ajjatik olarika rupa? There are 5. The red color column, there are 5. How many bahira olarika rupa? How many bahira olarika rupa? There are 7. The green color column, there are 7. How many bahirang sukuma rupa? Next column, there are 16. There are 16. Okay, there are 16. But the last one, the same meaning. The last group, next one, ajjatikang santike bahirang dore bahirang santike. Ajjatikang santike, internal near rupa, internal near rupa. Bahirang dure, external far rupa, external far rupa. Bahiran santike, external near rupa, external near rupa. Now we want to know how many internal near forms, how many external far forms, how many external near forms, the rupa. First of all, you want to know clearly what is the dura and santika, meaning of dura and santika. Dura is a far, santika is near. Definition of dura is far, definition of santika is near. Actually, santika meaning gross rupa, similar words. Dura meaning sukuma, subtle rupa. Now, 28 type of rupa, we can divide into 2 ways, dura and santika. How many dura, how many far rupa? There are 16. How many near rupa? There are 12. There are 12. Okay, this one clear? And dura meaning actually far rupa and subtle rupa. Santika meaning gross rupa, nearby, near rupa. And again, next column, you please go and check next page. Dosa santike rupa, dosa near rupa, we can divide into 2 ways, ajjatika and bahira. Internal near and external near rupa. How many internal near rupa? There are 5. 5 sensitivities. How many external near rupa? How many external near rupa? There are 7. There are 7. There are 7. And how many external far rupa? How many external far rupa? There are 16. There are 16. Again, those are 28 type of rupa. We can divide into 2 ways, dura and santika. Those are 16 rupa dura, but still they are external dura. But 12 rupa is santika, nearby. Those are 12 rupa also. We can divide into internal and external, internal near and external near. Now you can see in the next page, dura there are 16, santika there are 12. Those are 12 divided into 2 ways. 5 sensitivities are ajjatika and santike. There are 7 rupa, bahirang santike. Ajjatikan Santiki and Bahiran Santiki. Now you understand all Dura. There are 16 Rupa, we call Bahiran, all type of Fa Rupa, Dura meaning Fa. And means external Fa Rupa. There are 5 in internal near Rupa. Internal near Rupa. Other 7 Rupa we call external near Rupa. External near Rupa. Now you can see clearly in the last column, Ajjatikan Santike, there are 5. Ajjatikan Santike, there are 5. There are 16 Bahiran Dure. There are 7 Rupa Bahiran Santike. Again, Ajjatikan Santike, there are 5. Bahiran Dure, there are 16. Bahiran Santike, there are 7. Okay. Red color circle, they mention Ajjatikan Santike, there are 5. What are the 5? 5 sensitivities: Chakku, Sota, Ghana, Juha, Kaya. And there are 16 external Fa Rupa, and there are 7 internal Fa Rupa. Sorry, yeah, internal near Rupa. Internal near Rupa, there are 7. Okay. Okay, now I think now we already finished the Rupa chapter under the classification of 3 groups. Classification of 3 groups. Okay. I think maybe you already know the meaning. I think you already get the meaning. Those are Rupa, how we divide according to the Dhamma Sangha, the Buddha's teaching, the 1 way or 2 way, the first way, second way, third way. Now we already study. But now again, we have still study, still continuously practice the Rupa. Because there's those are Rupa, how we classify 4 way. This is also important. Classification of Rupa Chatukkam. Classification into 4 groups according to Dhamma Sangani book. Yes. Now we can understand classification into 4 groups. No, what is the first one? They are the combination of 2 dukkha. Classification into 2 groups to make 4 groups of classification Chatukkam. You understand, no? How they combine? Upada, no upada is the first 2 groups. Second 2 groups, upadinna, anupadinna. Derived, non-derived, or karma-born materiality and non-karma-born materialities. This is a meaning. Upada, no upada, upadinna, anupadinna. How they combine together. But next, this is upada, upadinna. Upada combine with upadinna. Upada combine with anupadinna. No upada combine with upadinna. No upada combine with anupadinna. Okay. Now, what is the meaning? Upada, upadinna, derived, karma-born materialities. Upada anupadinna derived non-common materiality. No upada upadinna non-derived common materiality. No upada anupadinna non-derived non-common materialities. Okay, now how we understand? Upada upadinna, upada anupadinna, no upada upadinna, no upada anupadinna. How we understand? First of all, do you remember how many upada rupa? There are 24. How many no upada rupa? There are 4. There are 4. Now you see, no upada rupa is Patavi Apo Tejo Vayu Vanna Gandha Rasa Oja. Those are 4 rupa we call no upada. Remaining, those are 24 rupa we call upada. Okay. Now I think you're clear. How many upada rupa? There are 24. How many no upada rupa? There are 4. After that, go and check upadinna and anupadinna. Those are 28 type of rupa. We can divide into 2 ways, upadinna rupa and anupadinna rupa. Those upadinna rupa, common materialities, we can divide into 2 ways. Some of the rupa definitely only common materialities. Remaining rupa either common or not common rupa, because they are for the both side. Especially anupadina also, definitely some of the rupa not common materialities, but some of the rupa common materialities. How we understand this one according to the chart? Okay, now upadin how many? 9 plus 11 become 20. Anupadin 11 plus 8 become 19. But there are 11 rupa for the both side, for the upadin group and for the anupadin group. The 11 rupa always working for the both side. Okay, now what are the 11 rupa? What are the 9? What are the 8? First of all, we have to know. First of all, what are the 9 upadina rupa? What are the 9 upadina rupa? What are the 9? Definitely only common material or common rupa. There is 9. What are the 9? Chakku, 5 sensitivities plus life faculty plus 2 sex faculties and plus heart base. Those are 9 rupa we call ekanta kammaja, ekanta upadina rupa. Definitely common materialities. Other 11 rupa we can divide into 2 ways, for the upadina side and anupadina. Sorry, the 11 rupa also we can divide into 2 ways. Upada, no upada group. Upada, no upada group. Okay. There are 4 elements we call no upada rupa. No upada. Other 7 rupa. Other 7 rupa we call the other 7 rupa we call upada rupa. Upada rupa. Now please you check, those are 11 rupa we can divide into 2 ways. Some of the rupa is upada, some of the rupa is not upada. There are 4 rupa, no upada. There are 24 rupa we call upada. There are 4 rupa we call no upada. There are 4 rupa we call no upada. There are 24 rupa we call no, there's 11 rupa. We can divide into 2 way. 4 is no upada, 4 elements, and other remaining there are 7 rupa we call upada. And what are the 8 rupa? What are the 8 rupa? 8 rupa is we can say upada, some of the upada rupa. Then how we combine together? Now you see clearly according to this chart. Now 24 rupa. Do you remember how many upada rupa? There are 24. 24 upada rupa we can divide into 3 ways. 3 ways. 9, 7, and 8. See, those are 24 rupa. We can divide into 3, 9, 7, and 8. 9, 7, and 8. No upada rupa we can divide into upadinna and anupadinna. There are only 4. This, according to this chart, how we understand. Now, example first, upada rupa. How many upada rupa? There are 24. 24 upada rupa we can divide into upadinna group and anupadinna group. Comma-bond materialities and non-comma-bond materialities. How many comma-bond materialities? How many comma-bond materialities? 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. How many comma-bond materialities? 9 plus 7. There are 16. There are 16. Okay. How many anupadinna group? Anupadinna rupa. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. There are 15. There are 15. This is a just normal explanation. Okay. Those are 24 upada rupa. We can divide into upadinna group and anupadinna group. Upadinna is there are 9 plus 7. What are the 9? Definitely only comma-bond arising with comma. Some of the rupa definitely comma-bond materiality. What are the 9? 5 sensitivities and life faculty plus 2 sex faculty plus heart base. Those are 9. Okay. What are the 7 rupa? Is including upada and kamma-bond materialities. Now we know about the except Mahabhuta, because the Mahabhuta going to no upada group. Mahabhuta going to no upada group, because now upada group don't have Mahabhuta, don't have 4 elements. That's why 24 rupa we divide upadinna group and anupadinna group. Definitely 9 rupa is only upadinna. There are 8 rupa anupadinna. Okay. Now this way, how we understand 9 plus 7? What are the 7 rupa? What are the 7 rupa? But those are 7 rupa, including for the both side, comma born group and non-comma born group. You can count one, the color rupa, one, gandha, rasa, there are 3. The same way, oja, ahara rupa. Another is, you can see now we know the one, gandha, rasa, ahara rupa, and akasa rupa, upachaya, santati. What are the 7? But actually, those are 7 rupa. But we have the chart. But anyway, you try to understand this column, because they are drawing. No, so many drawing. Sometimes people not understand. That's why again I'm going to explain the upada, no upada group, and upadina and upadina group, how they combine together, become 4. Upada 24, no upada 4. Upadinna, there are 9 plus 11, anupadinna 11 plus 8. Okay. Before we already before one, yeah, this one. Okay. Now you can understand upadinna, definitely 9 rupa, they are going to the upadinna group. They are 9, come to the 9. Those are 11, the middle one, the 11 rupa, we divide into 2. The 7 going to the upada group, 4 going to the no upada group, and the 8 also going to the upada group. Now this way, how we understand upada, upadin rupa, upada, anupadin rupa, no upada, upadin rupa, no upada, anupadin rupa. Again, it's again one by one. This see upada, upadin rupa, upada, upadin rupa. How many upada, upadin rupa? It's the first group. Okay, upada, upadin rupa, first group. Second group, upada, anupadin rupa. Upada, anupadin rupa. This is the second group. No upada, upadin rupa. No upada, upadin rupa. This is the third one. Fourth one, no upada, anupadin rupa. No upada, anupadin rupa. Okay. Again, now you can see upada, upadin rupa. First one. Second one, upada, anupadin rupa. Okay. And no upada, upadin rupa. And no upada, anupadin rupa. Now you can count how many upada, upadin rupa. 9 plus 7. If you want to get the total meaning, 9 plus 7. Okay. And upada, anupadina rupa, 7 plus 8. and no upada, upadina rupa, there are 4. No upada, anupadina rupa, there are 4. Okay. Now 16, 15, 4 and 4. This is the answer. How many upada, upadina rupa? There are 16. How many upada, anupadina rupa? There are 15. How many no upada, upadina rupa? 4. There are how many no upada, anupadina rupa? There are 4. Now those are explanation. We can go count the according to the column. Go to the next page. Now next page. You see very clearly explained the Pali side. Upada upadinnang, upada anupadinnang, no upada upadinnang, no upada anupadinnang. First one, upada upadinnang. How many derived and comma-born materialities? And upada anupadina, how many derived and not comma-born materialities? No upada upadina, not how many not derived comma-born materialities? No upada anupadina, how many not derived, not comma-born materialities? Okay, this is a four type of rupa. Now we know. Please go and check the column. Now there are mainly there are 2 columns, upada column and no upada column. Red color, they name the upada column and no upada column. According to upada, they divide into 2, upadin and anupadin. Under the upada group, they have the comma-born materialities and non-comma-born materialities. And again, comma-born materials also divided into 2 ways, ekanta and anekanta. Anupadin, not comma-born materialities also divided into 2 ways, ekanta and anekanta. The anekanta is the middle, ekanta for the both sides. Now you see, this is according to our, the circle also. Upadina circle, they are red color. Upadina circle also, inside the Upadina circle also, they have the 2 circles combined. You see, same way, Upadina is a big column, and Upadina they divide into Upada divide into Upadina and Anupadina. Again, Upadina divide into Ekanta and Anekanta. Anupadina also divide into Anekanta and Ekanta. The middle part, but the 7, number 7. Now you see, under the Upada group, they have the number 7. Number 7 is a Anekanta. Anekanta meaning for the both sides. But the number 9 is Ekanta, definitely only Upada, Upadina Rupa. Number 8, definitely Upada, Anupadina Rupa. But number 7 for the both sides. For the both. This is a one side. Now you can see clearly, see how many, what are the 9, what are the 7, what are the 8. There, what are the 9 rupa, what are the 7 rupa, what are the 8 rupa. Please count and please read by yourself. Now, there are 9 rupa under the Upada, Upadin, Ekanta. Upada, Upadin, Ekanta. There are 7 Upada, Upadin, Anekanta. Again, there are 7 Upada, Anupadin, Anekanta. And there are 8 upada anupadinna ekanta. Okay, again, please check, please keep your mind. How many upada upadinna ekanta rupa? How many definitely derived and karma-born materialities? There are 9. There are 9. Again, how many upada upadinna ekanta rupa? Meaning, how many rupa definitely derived and karma-born materialities? There is a 9. Okay. How many upada upadinna anekanta rupa? How many rupa derived karma-born material, but this is anekanta, not sure. Means the cannot say definitely, but for the both side, anekanta. There are 7. Same way, how many upada anupadinna anekanta? They are also same, 7. How many upada anupadinna ekanta? Means how many derived not karma-born materialities. Definitely not karma-born material, but as a derived. There are 8. What are the 8? You can see Saddha Rupa, Kaya Vinyati, Vachi Vinyati, and Lahuta, Mudita, Kammanya. There are 3 changing Rupa. Jarata, Anichata, 2 characteristic Rupa. Okay, this is one side. Upada upadinna, upada anupadinna. This is a one side. Another one, no upada upadinna, no upada anupadinna. But no upada upadinna ekanta, 0. No, nothing, anything. And same way, no upada anupadinna ekanta, definitely no upada upadinna anupadinna also don't have, 0. But no upada upadinna and anupadinna anekanta, there are 4. 4 elements. There are 4 elements we call Mahabhuta Rupa. Mahabhuta. That's why they, according to the chart, also they divide into this, and we make the chart. Now the 28 type of Rupa, we already divide into 4 way. Derived karma-born materialities, derived not karma-born materialities, not derived karma-born materialities, not derived not karma-born materialities. Okay, understand? You understand? If you first of all, you have to analyze the definition of word, Pali Vachana, Pali verb, Upada and Upadinna, Upada Anupadinna. Okay. Number 2 also, Upada Upadinna, Upada Anupadinna, no Upada Upadinna, no Upada Anupadinna. If you know the meaning of Pali, and you can put the Rupa's number for the according to the word. Now according to this chart, now the circle, we have this 28. Those are all the rupa 28. They are the two circle, no? The red color and blue color. Actually, the 28 rupa we divide into upada group and no upada group. 28 rupa become the 24 upada and 4 no upada. Yes, right. The 28 rupa we divide into two ways. 24 is upada, no upada. 4 is no upada. Those are 24 upada we divide into two groups, upada upadin and upada anupadin. Same way, there are 4 no upada rupas we divide into no upada upadin, no upada anupadin. Okay, now you can see, no, that those are 24 rupa. We divide to 9 plus 7 plus 8. 9 plus 7 plus 8 become 24. 0 plus 4 plus 0 become 4. Total become 28. So how many totally? 28. Do you understand, sister?
Yes, Bhante.
Okay.
Rupa is clear, Bhante.
Okay, now the similar explanation about next four group also. Similar, but they are only different the Pali words, but same meaning. Upada, upadinnu padaniya. Upada, anupadinnu padaniya. No upada, upadinnu padaniyam. No upada, anupadinnu padaniyam. Upadinnupadaniyam meaning karma-born rupa. Upadinnupadaniyam is the karma-born rupa. Anupadinnupadaniyam is not karma-born rupa. Not karma-born rupa. Okay? Karma-born rupa and not karma-born rupa. Upadinna rupa is a karma-born rupa. Anupadinnupadan is not karma-born rupa. But same. Everything same like previous notes, only different the Pali Vachana, Pali words only. Everything same. Okay, you understand? The but the this one also upada, how many rupa? There are 24. No upada is only 4 rupa. 24 upada rupa we divide into two ways. Upadinnupadaniyan and anupadinnupadaniyan. No upada, there are 4 rupas, so we divide into upadinnupadaniyan, anupadinnupadaniyan. This is a explanation, similar, but we can go next one, little bit different. The next combination of derived, non-derived with impinge and non-impinge, sappatiga and appatiga. Upada, no upada plus sappatiga and appatiga. Derived upada sappatigam, upada appatigam. No upada sappatigam, no upada appatigam. This is a 4. First of all, you know the upada rupa. How many upada rupa? There are 24. How many no upada rupa? There are 4. Very clear, no? And how many sappatika rupa? How many sappatika rupa? There are 12. How many appatika rupa? There are 16. Sappatika meaning gross Olarika Rupa, near Rupa. Those are Rupa we call Sappatika. How many Appatika meaning? Appatika meaning there are Sukuma Rupa, subtle Rupa. There are 16 Rupa, subtle Rupa is called Appatika, not impinge Rupa. Not impinge Rupa. Okay, this is a meaning. Now you can see clearly yellow color column. There are 12 type of Rupa is Sappatika. Blue color column there are 16 Rupa we call Appatika. The same way there are 4 Rupa no Upada. There are 24 Rupa is Upada Rupa. Now you can see clearly, but the red color arrow they have no, they mark no Upada. For no Upada Rupa, direct become two-way. 4 become 4 Rupa divide into two group, 1 and 3. The 1 including to the Appatika group, 3 include to the Sappatika group. See, those are no Upada 4 elements. Divide into two-way, Sappatika and Appatika. How many Sappatika no Upada Rupa? How many Appatika no Upada Rupa? Apo Dhatu going to the Appatika group. Patavi Tejo Vayu, 3 elements going to Sappatika group. Sappatika group. Okay. Okay. Now, you see the blue color arrow. Now the 24 Upada Rupa. 24 Upada Rupa, we divide into two-way, two group, Sappatika group and Appatika group. There are 9 Rupa Sappatika group. There are 15 Rupa Appatika group. You see clearly? Those are 24 Upada Rupa. We divide into two group, Sappatika and Appatika. How many Sappatika? There are 9. How many Appatika? There are 15. There are 15. Okay. There are 9 and 15. Now you see clearly, no Upada Rupa also we divide into two-way. Upada Rupa also we divide into two-way. Okay. This is a one explanation. And now you see 1, 3, 9, 15. You see in the notes 1, 3, 9, 15. 4 elements they divide to two-way, 1 and 3. 24 Upada Rupa divide into 9 and 9 group and 9 category and 15 category. 9 and 15. Okay. Now 1, 3, 9, 15 we want to combine together Sappatika and Appatika. Now we know how many Sappatika Rupa in the no Upada group. Okay, my question. How many Sappatika Rupa in no Upada group? How many Sappatika no Upada group? How many Sappatika Rupa in the no Upada group? There are 3. 3. See? How many Sappatika Rupa in the no Upada group? There are 3. How many Appatika no upada group. Only one. One. See? Only one. And how many Sappatika Rupa in Upada group? There are 9. How many Appatiga Rupa in Nopada group? There are 15. Now you can count 9 plus 3, all are Sappatika Rupa. 9 plus 3, all are Sappatika Rupa. 1 and 15, all are Appatika Rupa. That's why the 9 and 3, they are 12, no? 12 Rupa is Sappatika. 15 plus 1, they are 16, we call Appatika Rupa. Okay. Now, this is the Upada and no Upada group, how they combine together, Sappatika and Appatika. Now you see, clearly they are mentioned. Next, and go to the next page. Next page. You see, 24 Upada Rupa and 4 no Upada Rupa. 24 Upada, they divide into Sappatika and Appatika. There are Sappatika 9, Appatika 15. Impingement Rupa, they are 9. Not impingement Rupa, they are 15. And no Upada also, they divide into Sappatika and Appatika. Sappatika, there are 3. Appatika, there are 1. Now please count together. How many Sappatika Rupa on the both sides? 9 plus 3. Become 12. How many Appatika of 2 group? 15 plus 1. They are 16. They are 16. Now you see, Upada Sappatigang, Upada Appatigang, no Upada Sappatigang, no Upada Appatigang, Upada Sappatigang. How many Upada Sappatigang Rupa? Next. You can go next group or next page also, no problem. Upada Sappatigang, there are 9. Upada Appatigang, there are 15. No Upada Sappatigang, there are 3. No Upada Appatigang, there are 1. Now you can mark, there are 28 type of Rupa. We can divide into Upada group and no Upada group. How many Upada? 24. No Upada, there are 4. 24 Upada Rupa, we divide into 2 groups, Sappatika and Appatika. There are 9 and 15. No Upada, there are 3 and 1. Now, do you know what are the 9 Sappatika Rupa? What are the 9? Chakku Sota Gahana Jivha Kaya Rupa Saddha Gandha Rasa. And how many Upada Appatika Rupa? There are 15. Itti Purisa Jevita Kaya Vinyati Vache Vinyati Akasa Dhatu Lahuta Muduta Kammanyata Upache Santati Jarata Anichata. Yeah, Anichata, Kabalinkaru, Aharu, and Hade Rupa. And what are the 3 Sappatika Rupa? Patavi, Tejo, Vayu. What is the Appatika? They are only Apo, only 1. Only 1. Now, this way, you can understand but the third group of 4 categories classification of the rupa. Okay, I think I don't know you understand or not, but anyway, especially the mainly you want to know how many upada and no upada, and after that you want to know the sappatiga and appatiga. I think maybe today enough, no? If you have anything to ask or discuss regarding our today lessons, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Please repeat after me. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccu hotu. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccu hotu.